Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use ellipse command. Ellipse command is very important in AutoCAD software. So let's see what are the ellipse command and how to easily use in AutoCAD software. We want to create new sketch interface. Then at first open AutoCAD software. Now we will see a new create a sketch. You can say here all command is easily learn and okay. At first open a AutoCAD software. Okay, this is our AutoCAD software interface. Now we will see a new create a sketch. Okay, today learn, you can say here ellipse command. Okay, ellipse command is this command is pop up and first is center, second is axis end, and third is elliptical arc. Three type of ellipse command you can say here. Okay, learn one by one and deeply explain one by one, learn easily. First is center. Okay, any point is click here and first is a center and okay, this point is a 100 120. Okay, this is a ellipse command. And next is a axis end. Okay, this is a axis end and this is a point is 90. Okay, and third is a elliptical arc. This point and this point, elliptical arc is a this point, and select this point is a elliptical arc. Okay, this point and one again center ellipse. This point and any center is a okay, this point is a 120 130. Okay, 130 is 140. Okay, and this is not so ellipse, delete here, and center point, this point and this point is a okay, and delete here. Okay, center point, this point and this. Okay, ellipse, and again axis end, this point and axis end. Okay, this. Okay, this. Okay, and last is a elliptical arc. This point and this first is this point and this point. Okay, measure any arc length. Okay, this point is a arc length is a okay, not arc length is select this point and this point, not accept. Okay, this point is a this. Okay, this point and this point is a okay, this point, this, and Okay. 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 Ellipse command is not this is this point is a mention here note. Okay, and this point is a okay. You can see here a very important point. All ellipse point is this measurement is annotation, and this point all point is a simple radius measurement and linear line measurement. Ellipse is not measurement in this annotation. And okay, this is all three type is ellipse you can see here, and measurement all drawing. Okay, next point, next lecture is 10 is coming soon. AutoCAD lecture 10 is coming soon. Guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.